Hi, I'll have 2 spicy burgers and a large fry. 2 spicy burgers, large fry. Got it. And a Coke. Okay, anything else? That'll be $10.47.
Today, I'm going to show you one of the best ranking YouTube niches right now. You've probably already seen these kinds of videos before. First of all, check out a YouTube channel called Low Budget Stories. When you watch their videos, you'll notice a very powerful and recognizable character. You've probably seen this character many times on Facebook, YouTube, and other platforms. This channel mainly uploads long-form videos, while shorts are uploaded less frequently. And when it comes to the content style, they use mixed storytelling concepts. Sometimes the character becomes a McDonald's worker, sometimes something completely different. The category changes in every video. The character always stays consistent. That consistency is one of the biggest reasons these videos perform so well. Now let me show you something crazy. This channel has videos with 6 million views, 4 million views, 3 million views, 2 million views. Almost every upload gets millions of views. And if we talk about subscribers, this channel currently has around 22 million subscribers with only about 135 videos uploaded. Estimated monthly earnings are around 5.6K USD or even higher, and the average video length is around 8 minutes. So guys, without wasting any time, today I'm going to show you completely free tools for image generation and video generation. Do not skip this video because everything I'm showing is 100% free. First of all, I prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, I added everything in detail: story topics, voiceovers, video prompts, scene numbers, image prompts, thumbnail prompts. Literally everything is included in a complete structured format. The video you saw at the beginning, yes, we're going to create exactly that style of video today. You'll find the master prompt link in the description. All you need to do is copy it, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click generate. As soon as you click generate, ChatGPT will automatically create 10 complete scenes for you. Each scene includes an image prompt, video prompt, thumbnail prompt, and voiceover. Everything is already prepared for you professionally. You can even generate separate voiceovers because they're also included individually inside the prompt package. Now our prompts are completely ready. The next step is image generation. Today, I'm going to use an extremely powerful free AI tool called Leonardo AI. It's completely free, and the link is available in the description. After opening the website, simply click Login, then click Sign Up, enter your email and password. Verify your email using the code they send you, and log in successfully. You'll receive 150 free credits on every Gmail account. After logging in, click on Images. Then select the model called GPT Image 2. For dimensions, choose TikTok 9:16 format. Then set the quality to low, because even the low quality gives extremely high detail images while consuming only 8 credits. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first image prompt, return to Leonardo AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your image creation will begin. This tool is extremely fast and very powerful. After testing many AI image generators, I personally found GPT Image 2 inside Leonardo AI to be one of the best for cinematic storytelling images, and now our first image is ready. The result is absolutely perfect according to the story. The image quality looks amazing and exactly matches the cinematic style we wanted. Now simply download the image, then repeat the same process for the next prompts one by one. You have around 150 free credits, so you can easily generate about 15 to 16 images for free. I'm simply copying each prompt, pasting it, and generating images one by one, and as you can see, all the images are slowly getting ready perfectly according to the story. Our main story is about a McDonald's worker character who delivers food, works hard, struggles through daily situations, and goes through emotional moments during his job. Once all the images are generated, download them all. Now let's move to the next step, video generation. And for video generation, today we're also going to use a 100% free AI tool. You'll find the link in the description, but even if you don't, simply open Google and search for Arena AI. After searching, the first website will appear in front of you. Simply open it. As soon as the website opens, you'll see a login option on the right side. Click on it and choose Login with Email. Now open a temporary mail website and copy any temp email address. Paste the email here. Click Continue with Email and then enter your name. After that, click Verify. Once you click Verify, Arena AI will send a verification email to your temp mail inbox. Open the email and click Verify Email. Then create your password, click Finish, and your account will be successfully created. Now the website is fully open. Next comes the most exciting part, video generation. On the right side, you'll see a video option. Simply click on it. Now, upload the first image you generated earlier. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 video prompt. Come back to Arena AI and paste the prompt into the text box. After that, simply agree to the terms and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first AI video will start generating. Sometimes it takes around 1 minute, and sometimes 2 to 3 minutes, but compared to most free AI tools, this one is extremely fast. And let me tell you something important. Arena AI offers a battle mode for free. That means 2 different AI models generate videos for the same prompt. But you can choose whichever result looks better. This feature is honestly one of the best parts of the platform. And yes, it's completely free. You can generate unlimited videos by using temporary emails exactly like I showed you. If you ever hit a limit, simply open another browser. Create another temp mail account, log in again, and continue generating videos. Now, our first AI video has started generating. Just a few moments. It'll be ready for preview. And now the first video is ready. Take a look at the preview. The animation looks beautiful, cinematic, and smooth. Our character is walking inside the restaurant, preparing to start work, and the environment feels alive with realistic movement and sound. Now let's check the second version. This one also looks good, but compared to the first version, it doesn't feel as realistic. The first AI model generated a much more cinematic and emotional result. So I'm going to download the first video and save it to my PC now. Let's generate the second scene video. I simply go back, click Add File, upload the next image, return to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it inside Arena AI, and click Generate again. As soon as I click Generate, the second video immediately starts rendering. Usually it takes around 1 to 2 minutes to finish. Now let's talk about monetization because many people ask about this. Yes, guys, the channel I showed you is fully monetized. You can verify it from any source you want. Some people comment that these types of channels are not monetized. But before showing any niche, we always verify whether the channel is monetized or not. And yes, this style of content absolutely gets monetized. You just need to add your own editing style. Transitions, storytelling, sound design, and creativity so your content feels unique and original. That helps protect your channel from demonetization issues. Now the second video is ready. Look at how amazing the result is. In the first version, our character is preparing and checking the customer's order in a very cinematic way. The movements feel realistic and professional. The second version also looks great, but honestly, the first one feels more powerful this time. So I'll simply download the better version. Now, if you ever see a message saying, you reached all limits, don't worry at all. Just open another browser, log in again using a temp mail account, upload your image, paste the prompt, and continue generating videos. And as you can see, our third cinematic video has already started generating. This is how you can create unlimited AI videos completely free. Now the next video is ready. And honestly, this result looks extremely professional. This time, the second model generated the best cinematic scene. The quality, motion, lighting, and character movement look incredibly powerful. So from both generated videos, simply choose whichever one looks better to you. Now let me quickly generate one more scene for you. Again, I upload the image, copy the next video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it inside Arena AI, and click Generate. And just like before, the final video starts rendering instantly. Now our last video is finally ready, and honestly, the cinematic quality looks amazing. Our character is riding his bicycle to deliver an order, and the entire scene feels emotional and professional like an animated movie. So guys, today you saw how we created cinematic AI videos completely free using AI tools. Now your next job is editing. I already uploaded many editing tutorials on the channel showing how to edit these videos professionally. Add voiceovers, add background music, and create engaging storytelling content. Once you upload consistently on YouTube, you'll start seeing your channel grow very quickly. Hope today's video helped you a lot.